Oh, hello guys! I am finally back from vacation. I hope you had a wonderful time during the holidays. But now everything goes back to normal and unfortunately we go back to work. And today I just want to start with a quick update video. If you remember a while back, I made a video about how to install Minion for ESO and WoW addons. So now I have some good news. This is finally so much better. It is available on the Flatpak and FlatHub, which makes your life so much easier and better. It's so easy to install it right now because, well, going through the hustle and not always working the way I showed you here, it's kind of a hit or miss, but that's over now. Just if you are using Flatpak, just go to the Flat Hub, search for Minion, and it's right here. It's just click the install button right here and it's gonna start installing. If you are like me though, I like to do it through the terminal. Just copy the command here, open your terminal, just paste it. Yes, I want the system, and just start installing it. It's so simple, it's so easy. I'm so happy about it. So nothing stopping you now from using it, of course. Okay, let me know what you think about it. Are you excited as I am? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.